Alright guys, we out here at it again. Doing a little fishing, a little trolling. Yeah. Christmas Eve trolling. That's what we're up to right now. So yeah, check we want to catch the first fish. Placencia over there. Belize. Didn't get it on camera, but we caught one.
Alright, make a build out this boat.
Nice size, guys. Nice size. Nice one, guys.
Nice.
Oh yeah, love it. First one.
One down.
Let's get the day started, man. Nice day.
Whoa,
Harvest key. Chips the in. Ali barra work, me pan Ali line. Good one down. Let's go. Alright, fish on. We're not sure, but at least small one, at least small as.
Mackerel?
Mackerel, nice one, Pick. Nice one.
one minute.
Nice. There it is. Yeah, for cover first. Yeah. Alright, deal with them. Alright. Not bad so far. About an hour into it. We got the two fish secure. Oh, they're closer to Harvest Key, where the ships come in, NCL, Norwegian Cruise Line. That's Big Creek Port. Get ready again for the next one.
Let's do it.
Alright, let's do it. Woo.
You gotta get up.
Nice barrow again.
Another one, fella.
That's 2 barrow for me. 1 mackerel for yeah. They're close to the ship now. Still shallow. Shallow water. I missed it again, but again, next one. Our next mackerel get it.
Nice one too again. The club one. On the scratch.
Alright guys, we're back again. Nice day.
Scratching it.
Nice fish so far. My dog, they out there scratching on.
Yes, bring scratch us on stress.
Yes, try get lock out there.
Taga mo lock pan na lang alam cut na lang.
Yeah, the land
too much.
that way hot, you know. A lot of negative vibes there. So I have to come out here. I see some people paddle board off of the ship. Hey, gone by. I see him, but you can't see him on the camera. Gone. See the byway left behind. Just to say that down the way front of where they go. Alright guys, we're back home. This is our catch. Couple of hours. How long were we there out?
Actually we catching in like 3.5 hours, man.
Yeah, that's I think 3 to 4 hours trip.
3.5 exact because I'm the time it too.
3.5 hours guys. 3.5 hours trip. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, see you on the next one.